Good morning, AP Language. It's Mrs. Cook. I hope you had a fantastic weekend, your first weekend as a junior, and welcome back to school. All right, I'm going to walk you through your module for this week. We are in week 2. Make sure that you are looking at week 2 on your Canvas page. All right, so your lessons are broken into days of the week. If you haven't already noticed that from last week, let's look at that today. On Monday, you have these 3 lessons, which is today. You have a course description and anticipation video and PowerPoint. So I actually walk you through this PowerPoint. And so you can watch a video of me teaching the PowerPoint, and then you can also look through it and save this PowerPoint for your files. You can download it as a PDF here. And so there's only one thing to do in this part, but you have 3 options to look at it. All right. Next, you're going to post about what you learned about AP Language. Make sure that you're posting 5 things. You're discussing 1 thing you're excited to learn more about, 1 thing you're apprehensive or nervous about. Make sure that you include that 1 thing. We all need to talk about at least 1 thing that we're nervous about. You're required to respond to one of your peers' posts. Please respond to either what one of your peers is interested in or apprehensive about learning about. Here's your discussion post rubric and expectations for how all of your discussion posts will be graded. Remember to write in full and complete sentences, as this is AP Lang. All right, let's click next. Then you have a course anticipation quiz. This is just a pre-quiz to let us know where you're at. Make sure that you're answering your answers honestly, because it allows Mr. Wood and myself to know what you need to know so we can help personalize the course. All right, let's go back to our module here. Then on Tuesday, you're going to look at the AP commitment. You'll look at this and just understand what it means to be an AP student. You'll take an academic honesty and plagiarism pledge. And so you'll sign that you agree not to plagiarize in this course. And then we have a community forum for any questions that you may have. There are videos in each of these that just walk you through how to do them. And then you have your AP Lang class slideshow. For your class slideshow, you will be entering a slide just all about you, just so we can get to know you. I'll publish it for each class so then your classmates can get to know you as well. Instructions for your slideshow can be found here. On Wednesday, you are going to read a letter written to you by me. And then you are going to write me your own letter. And so you'll read my letter first as just a sample piece of writing, and then you'll open this assignment and see all the assignment instructions and write your own letter. On Thursday, we have an analysis assignment. This is a pre-assessment assignment, just so we can see where you're at in analysis. It's something that you've probably done before, you just maybe didn't call it analysis. And so we'll have that assignment for you on Thursday. And then on Friday, you have a writing pre-assessment quiz. You have a writing structure lesson, which is a PowerPoint where I have a video of me teaching it. And then you can also download the PowerPoint yourself. And then you have a discussion board where you talk about what you learned from your writing. All right, that's your week. Notice that your due dates are below the assignment. And so Monday's assignments are due on Monday, Tuesday's on Tuesday, Wednesday's on Wednesday, Thursday's on Thursday, and last but not least, Friday's assignments are due on Friday. Have a fantastic week. If you have any questions, let me know.